Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to type on a picture in Microsoft Word. So first, go to Microsoft Word, then go to the Insert tab and select Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or select Online Pictures to insert a picture from online sources. So let's select a picture from the computer. Let's select this one, for example. Click on the picture, then click on Insert. Now, the first option is to click on the layout option here, then select behind text to send the picture behind the text. Or you can right click on the picture and go to wrap text and select behind text. And you can also click on the picture and go to format under picture tools and go to wrap text and select behind text. Now let's type something like hello. Let's change the color of the text. Go to the home page. Let's make it white. And let's change the size as well. Hello. Now you can also reposition the picture, and the text will always stay on top of the picture. Now the second option is to go to the Insert tab, then click on text box, select one of these styles. Let's select the simple text box, then drag it and change the text. Let's type hello again. Then click on the text box and go to Format under Drawing Tools and click on Shape Fill and select No Fill. And go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now go back to the Home tab and let's change the font of the text. Let's select Times New Roman and change the size of the text. Let's change the color as well. And yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.